taking the WRX out for a spirited mountain drive. Nice stop off point before you start going through the mountain pass, but man, it's just what a good time to come out. The sun's just rising. So I thought we'll take the WRX out for a nice beautiful mountain pass TOUGE drive, and I'll break down what's been done to the car if you guys aren't too familiar. So engine wise modifications, nothing's been done. Just mainly I put the C28s on it. Still kept this OEM's tires for now, just because why not? I'll use them till they wear out, then I'll get better ones. Biggest changes I made, of course, coilovers, a professional proper wheel alignment to this car. So we'll get a proper wheel alignment done. And of course, if you're familiar with these cars, when they come from factory, they have zero sound. So I put the Invidia R400 exhaust system on it too, which is a nice tone. It's a little bit loud on cold start, but honestly, it brings the car back to life. So yeah, I'm gonna I'll mount a GoPro up to my head, and then once the good part of the TOUGE comes through, because it is pretty bumpy until we get to a specific point, then I'll just record. Again, I haven't even broke the car in properly yet, so it's still in its, I guess you could say, break-in stage. So I need to just take it a bit easy if I can. If I can restrain myself, I will. But yeah, enough talking. Do a little cinematic video while we're here, and then we'll go hit the TOUGE mountains. Back down. All right, so now we'll go up the mountain, and then we'll go over the bridge, and then we'll pull over. Just have a nice scenic look too. So I enjoyed going down the mountain a lot more than going up, but hey, probably won't do too much talking on the way back up, just because, you know, enjoy the nice POV scenic drive. Alright, so for the record, I'm not trying to break any world record times. I'm just going for a nice spirited drive, feeling the WRX out, feeling how the car feels with the new coilovers and wheel alignment and setup. So I'm doing a lot of cool down and then speed back up, cool down, speed back up. So it's kind of like an off and on pace through all the way up to the top of the mountain. So yeah, enjoy this. brake enough to weight transfer it. We're pretty much at the top now anyway. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. Alright, so now let's go over the bridge and just go for like a nice chill scenic route, because I need to let this car cool down, and I haven't broke the car in properly yet, and driving it like this, I know it's not what I should be doing, but I can't help myself. It's like, so the bridge is all the way down there we're gonna go over. Looks so good. The car's set up pretty well too, like DNA Motorsports did a really good job with the setup, the alignment. I don't know, maybe there is a fair bit of camber in the rear, which I probably might want to take out, which probably give us a bit more stability. Other than that, I didn't really feel like it was that bad. It could be better with 255s instead of 245s and a better setup of tyre, but I can't complain. I thought it was pretty good. But yeah, this is the bridge. It's better going back, but it's also pretty nice going this way too. See if there's a spot down there. I'll park up and then we'll go walk around it. Lady was recording my car. What the hell? Alright, so hopefully there's a spot. It's pretty dead today, so I'm assuming there should be. Yeah, there is one. Nice. Alright, so that's it guys, we made it to the top of the mountain, went through all of that. Now at the top, and I just want to show you guys over the bridge, but what a nice drive. This thing was just honestly amazing. I can't wait to add the spoiler and the STI kit to finish the whole look, but what an amazing car. So this is pretty much it. It looks so nice from the side. We came all the way through there. We'll drive back this way too, so it's a lot nicer. But yeah, that's about it. Today's morning spirited TOUGE drive. Now to officially make it a morning TOUGE coffee run, I guess you could say. So we'll pop this open. Oh, got spilling it everywhere. There we go, now it's official. So I'm just gonna head back down the mountain pass. I'll probably wrap the video up there, but thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the future video. Peace.